Volcanoes have erupted in Spain's La Palma and Iceland's Fagradalsfjall mountains, forcing authorities to evacuate residents. Volcanoes erupted in both areas because of earthquakes. Authorities in Iceland have asked people not to visit the volcano sites. But despite warnings, thousands visited the place. Meanwhile, over 5,000 people have been evacuated from the volcano site in Spain. Iceland Meteorological Department has said that thousands of earthquakes in recent weeks caused the volcano. Iceland reported over 4,000 earthquakes in the past 4 weeks. Iceland usually reports 1,000 to 3,000 earthquakes each year. With the eruption of the volcano, the sky lit up with red colors. A no-fly zone has been established following the eruption of the volcano. Iceland's Keflavik International Airport and Grindavik Fishing Port are located kilometers away from the volcano site. The volcano is not expected to present any danger to neither airport nor to the fishing port. Iceland has, however, halted all the flight operations from the airport. Icelanders visit volcano sites amid cold climates. Nearly 45,000 people have been to the Fagradalsfjall mountains since the volcano erupted. Fagradalsfjall is 32 kilometers away from the capital, Reykjavik. The Krýsuvík volcanic system that has caused the eruption in Iceland was inactive for over 800 years. According to the Meteorological Office, the last time the Krýsuvík volcanic system was active was in 1240. The region has been under surveillance following the increase in the number of earthquakes. Volcanoes in the Iceland region are usually effusive volcanoes, which means lava flows steadily out of the ground. In the case of explosive volcanoes, ash spews into the sky. An explosive volcano in 2010 had affected air traffic for weeks. The volcano that erupted on the Spanish Canary island of La Palma has affected the nearby villages. Lava is shooting into the sky and streams of lava are flowing towards the villages on the South Island. In the visuals, fountains of lava can be seen shooting hundreds of meters into the sky. Authorities have started evacuating animals and people from these villages. La Palma was put on high alert after more than 22,000 tremors were reported. Canary Island President Angel Victor Torres told that over 5,000 people have been evacuated from the area. He also asked people to stay indoors. The last time La Palma witnessed volcanic eruptions was in 1971.